I always thought I was gonna be your man, but you never even made me hold your hand. Reynolds again. Hi guys, my name is Reynolds the Gentleman. I'm a singer, songwriter, music producer. I've been doing this for more than 18 years, and the genre of music I do is Afro R&B. So stick and stay. It's been amazing. I mean, difficult, but we keep growing in the business. So yeah. When I say music started for me early, I mean like from infancy, like from primary school. I used to want to perform like for our day and all these kind of things. So that's where it started for me, and then it continued on to me learning how to play the instruments through church, um, and then all the way to Infantsipim, where it really began for me as a singer. I was in the choir in school, and then all the way to Nafti, where I had to learn all these video aspects of the music, and then we are here now. Be mine, be mine. It was at Nafti I got the opportunity to audition for Stars of the Future, only because they were auditioning in my school. At the time, I had already done a first reality show called Gangsters, and it was a group thing. And so after we were kicked out, I vowed I wasn't going to be part of any reality show again. But when Stars of the Future came around, I was thinking, okay, cool, this is individual. Like, so maybe I should try it for myself. I did. I just walked from class to the audition, and then I was part of the final 12. There again, I was the fourth person to be evicted. And after Stars of the Future, it became like something I really wanted to do. I was still in level 100 at the time. I remember I wanted to quit school and just go straight to music, but like I'm glad I followed through, finished, got my degree, and I'm here. I would have been an actor because I like doing my own small skits in my room by myself to the mirror. Maybe one day I'll get into it. Yeah, but I'd have been an actor. Even though my mother wanted me to be a policeman, that one day skills. Okay, so locally I would say Kujenchi and Akwabwa. This is because they do live music. I'm actually there as well. They do live music, they perform live, everything they do is live, and that's the kind of artist I am. So they inspire me a lot. I listen to them a lot. I learn a lot from them. Internationally, I would say John Legend because of his style of music. It's calm, it's collected, and it's beautiful. Okay, so the very first song I remember writing, that was around GHS. It went like, and please don't laugh. You hate egg, but you wanna eat egg. You wanna die, so go on and die. And it was a hit, oh. See, it was a hit. Yeah, you need to know that. I wouldn't say who, I'll say what. It was just life. Everything I did kept pushing me towards music. Like, I would play music on the table, like the drums on the table. I would use utensils as my drum. Like, it was all around me. It was what I was going to do anyway. My creative process, I don't have one way of creating music. It could be anything. It could be because something fell and I heard a noise. It could be because I heard two cars honking melodiously. It could be because somebody said something in the studio. Just anything. Anything can create music. Like, can make me create music, right? Who would I want to open for? It will be between John Legend and Adele. Yeah. Well, because I feel like my music fits best with them. Like, it sounds like them, but it's African. The best advice I've ever received. It was from Manifest. He said, less is more. And it stuck with me because as a producer, sometimes as a producer who plays multiple instruments, you want to add everything and showcase the fact that you can do it all, but sometimes it's not necessary. Keeping it simple makes it beautiful. There's beauty in simplicity. I believe one characteristic I have that is different from everyone else will be my discipline. I don't play with my music. Everywhere I go, I showcase that. Like, I always make sure that everything I need for what I need to do is present. I don't play with any aspect of my music, so that sets me apart from everyone else. On the 25th of July, we are streaming a concert we shot, and this concert is for my next album, which is my third album. It's called Mr. Cupid, but the concert is dubbed Cupid Live. We're streaming live. It's a virtual concert. You don't want to miss this. Everywhere I've been so far, I have said this and I'm going to say it again. My name is Reynolds the Gentleman, and I have the best virtual concert in Ghana right now. If you want to like see what I'm saying, please come on my social media, buy a ticket for yourself and see. Na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 yeah. Na, 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 yeah. Lola, I feel your vibe, oh, yeah. So can we make a runway on the spark? Oh, yeah. For this your love, I know mine to glide, Open parachute, land on your tarmac, baby, forever. It be you go give me special fever, yeah. It be now or never, baby, I go love you, call me lover. Whole lot of mercy. My baby so simple, but she driving me crazy, with a smile and dimple, yeah. No lie, me not go waste your time, oh. Slow wine, cause I want to be your daddy, oh. Be mine, now you I want to marry, oh. Special feeling. You and me on the silent, yeah, we be dancing to my beat, yeah. Then we go roll on top the beach, son. Oh, yeah. Cruising to the breeze, yeah. Forever, it be you go give me special fever, yeah. It be now or never, baby, I go love you, call me lover. Oh, Lord of mercy. My baby so simple, but she driving me crazy, with a smile and dimple, yeah. No lie, me not go waste your time, oh. Slow wine, cause I want to be your daddy, oh. Be mine, now you I want to marry, oh. Special feeling, no lie, me not go waste your time, oh. Slow wine, cause I want to be your daddy, oh. Be mine, now you I want to marry, oh. Special feeling, oh, baby, this your love, no be play. I promise you my love, no go away. It be you know, baby, all day, yeah. Oh, baby, this your love, no be play. I promise you my love, no go away. It be you know.